John, did you see the news today?
No, what happened?
There was a big earthquake in San Diego.
Oh my goodness.
The president was on the news talking about it earlier.
Was anyone hurt?
I think they said 2 people were killed.
Oh, that's terrible.
Yeah, I can't believe you hadn't heard about it. They were talking about it on CNN all day.
Oh, I don't watch TV that often.
Don't you watch the news?
No, I usually read the news online, but I haven't had time to turn on my computer today.
What's your favorite sport?
I like basketball. I watch the games on TV all the time.
Who's your favorite team?
The Boston Celtics.
They really good this year, aren't they?
Yes. Do you like them?
Yes. Everyone around here does.
Do you think they'll win the championship this year?
It's possible. They have some really good players.
Did you watch the game last night?
A little, not the whole thing. I watched the second half, though, and I saw some of the highlights online.
It was a great game, wasn't it?
Yeah. Do you know who they are playing tomorrow night?
I think they're playing Louisiana.
That's going to be a tough game. LA has a good team.
Group of symbols. Hi Liz. Are you working on your webpage now?
No, I'm still waiting for you to send me that image file for the homepage.
You mean you didn't get it? I sent it to you over an hour ago.
Let me check. It's going to take a second, 'cause I have to start up my computer.
Okay, did you get it?
1 second. I just have to open my web browser and check my Hotmail account.
Okay.
Okay, here it is. I got it.
How do I find the webpage? I tried to search for it on Yahoo, but I couldn't find it.
Don't use Yahoo, use Google.
I tried that also and it didn't work.
If you go to Google and search for my name, you should be able to find it.
Okay, let me try that. I see it now.